everyone, so I'm being lazy. I don't feel like putting this phone on the tripod right now, so it might be a little shaky for a minute, but it's time for me to do something to this. It's time. It's time. I was like, what can I do? I need to do something. So I went to the beauty supply store and I picked this up. This is Afro Kinky braid hair. So obviously I'm about to put some twists in my hair. I did get the color 1B Burgundy. This is what it looks like. It's supposed to like be a little darker up top and then like transition a little brighter at the bottom. But to me it all kind of looks burgundy. But it's like a tad bit tighter, lighter at the bottom. These were, I think these were like $5.99 at the beauty supply store. And I did get 3 packs of them. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and do the rubber band method. Go ahead and section my hair off into rubber bands. And install these twists. And I'm going to show y'all the final result. Hey everyone, so I want to come and talk quickly about my Marley twist that I did right here. First of all, I've did this a few times, but I usually do them like real big, thick, and chunky. And this time I just decided I didn't want that. I wanted them to be like on the thin side. So I did do them like this, really, really thin. And the only thing that I would change maybe it's like the first 2 rows. I would probably, for my entire head, I use 1 strand because most of the videos that I saw, people were using anywhere from 2 to 4 strands, but I use 1 strand per little section. And so maybe like this front row, I would use 2 just to make it look a little fuller in the front, which I don't have a problem with this, but some people wouldn't like it to look that way, but I don't have a problem with it. But if you do, maybe like the first 2 rows, use 2 strands. But anyway, I bought 3 packs. I ended up using 2.5 of the packs. So I got like half a pack left. This is the color 1B Burgundy. The packs were $5.99. And it took me about 1.5 hours to do the rubber band method, and it took 4.5 hours to actually do my hair and complete it. I think it would have been quicker if I didn't have to keep stopping and going because I do have kids. But I'm pleased the way that it turned out. I'm gonna turn around and show you. Actually, let me show you how long it is in the front because I know, yeah, let me turn it down. So this is how long it is in the front. And then turn it to the back. That's how long it is. So this is a nice length right here. And this is all the hair right here. Like, this is it, pulled to one side. So this is not heavy at all. It's low density. It's not heavy on my head whatsoever, but I pretty much wear my hair up because I be at work. And so to me, I like it like this. So I wasn't so much worried about how it, you know, looks down.